Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how I create a nice glowy simple eye look for your everyday looks. To start, I like to use an eyeshadow primer and apply it all over my lid to make sure my eyeshadow stays in place all day. Next, using a nice fluffy brush like this one, I will be using a nice neutral shade and apply it all over my crease. Next, what I like to do is grab a nice slightly darker shade and blend that shade all over my outer corner of my eye. After blending my outer corner, I like to use a nice shimmery eyeshadow just like this one. You can use your favorite one as well. And using an eyeshadow brush like this, I like to apply it all over my inner corner. Next, I apply the same shade I used on my outer corner, and I will be applying that all over my lower lash line. Then I like to grab some mascara and add it on my lower and top lashes. To highlight my brow bone and my tear duct, I like to use a very nice light eyeshadow. This is the final look for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on my next video.